I could see that the main part of all the products we are producing today is including a lot of hormone-affective, cancerogen chemicals, which we use daily on our babies, on ourselves, and I wanted to change that. What we're doing with our brand is that we're creating a lifestyle concept, and what we do also with the diaper is that we want to have a unique solution. So it's a healthy choice, and it's a product which have a natural material, which is giving air into the body, and it's breathable material we're using. So people need to have different choices. I mean, the big guys is doing really good products. I can't say that they doesn't have the performance in place, but we believe that we need to have a healthy choice. Our end consumer is engaged end consumer who is worried about what you use on your baby and want to do something good for the future. In USA, you have lots of new suppliers who's popping up, and the big brands, they call it pure, they call it natural, they call it green, and they just coloring the packaging green and put leaves on the packaging. And I can see as a professional, when I know how you build up a product, that they might have changed 1 gram out to 44 gram. We believe that the end consumer is smart. So what we write on the packs is everything is true, and we link it to so they can see what kind of material we're using. So we give a clear description, and we just not greenwash. We want to achieve and create an even better product. I mean, the drive force is to get the 100% solution. We're driving also all the other lines now, like the wipes and the toiletries. So we're driving it into 100% compostable packaging. So the toiletry line will be in a totally 100% solution. You can then throw it in your compost bin in your house and in your garden. So the driving force is always to do things better and better. And you can't do any shortcuts in life. You need to, it's a complete waste of time to doing something mediocre, is our statement here.